You so you're my everything. I love you so, and I give all my life to say I need you so. You're my
Hey friends, we are here down on Fremont Street and Las Vegas Boulevard. I'm here with all my friends from all over the valley. You're looking at worship leaders, prayer leaders, and people from all over this valley. We're coming together next weekend, Memorial Day weekend. We're going to fill this place with 50 hours of non-stop praise and worship. As we're pushing forward in unity, in one heart, in one mind. Psalm 133 says, this is the place of commanded blessing when brothers and sisters dwell in unity. So guys, we hope to see you here this coming weekend, May 25th, 26th, and 27th. Mark your calendars, guys. You're not going to want to miss it.
Yeah.